first stop on my northeastern hunt for ugly is in Scranton, Pennsylvania. We're here to meet Eric and Capri, who think they have what it takes to be the ugliest house in America. And in this hilly neighborhood, most of the homes are traditional brick with siding, except this guy. Well, hello.
Hey, Retta.
Come on outside so we can talk about this house.
Okay.
Capri.
Yeah.
Eric.
Yes.
What's your name?
Daniel.
I'm curious about your home.
Oh, we're anxious to show you.
It looks like silos.
We're told it looks like a light tower, a castle.
Toilet paper house.
Toilet paper. Oh, yeah.
More like paper towels.
The house was built primarily of 3 main circular columns. From the exterior, it looks completely round, which the interior is pretty much the same. When I was younger, I used to drive by the house all the time. I was always fascinated by it. The minute I heard that the house was for sale, I was just in such shock. I immediately made an offer. I was just overtaken by it.
I have honestly not seen a house more unique or different as this.
Okay, what is this space?
So this is the family room.
I see the cylinders in this room for
Yes.
sure. Is this the same? This is the same texture outside as inside?
Yeah, it's the same texture throughout.
Absolutely.
The floor is tile that's pretty concrete.
Yeah.
Do you like the tile?
No.
You don't?
The previous owner had a Lamborghini parked.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
This was the garage.
Yeah. You gotta check out this bathroom.
Okay. Okay, let's see this bathroom. Whoa! Dang, it's tied up in her. And it ain't finished.
It ain't finished at all.
There was so much wiring and tubing in that bathroom. It's a construction zone and it's dangerous. Hard hat needed. Okay. Oh, it's a cute little area.
So this, yeah.
Yeah.
Not
You've
bad.
got the tall windows. You can see the sky.
Yeah.
You guys, I don't know what you're complaining about.
There's still some more to see.
There is. Yes. Yes.
The circular kitchen with the circular counter. You all get the theme. That's hilarious. I mean, they're like, anything you add, it needs to be cylindrical. How is cylinder a theme? Well, would you look at that? I like the bedroom. It is round.
When you have a round room, there's no flat walls to hang anything or put the furniture on, so everything's just kind of offset.
But don't act like you can't hang anything, because I love you to the moon and back.
I did. But you see how it comes out of the wall a little bit.
But it works. Not a lot of room.
And there's no closet.
We've converted another room for Capri's closet, which is in the other tower.
I'm sorry, so your clothes are in a different room?
Yes. You have to go all the way down the steps, then go through the living room, through the office, and then there's another spiral stairs that you go up, and then that's the closet. Yeah.
The closet placement would be a deal breaker for me. I gotta know this is available to me like that. You are one of our 3 semifinalists in the Northeast region. If chosen, you will move on to the finals, where you will have an opportunity to become the ugliest house in America, which, you know, it's not the best title, but it does afford you
Yes.
a $150,000 renovation designed by Alison Victoria of Windy City Rehab. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Appearance-wise, it's a house of cylinders. So, if that's your vibe, but if it ain't, it's annoying. The kitchen isn't functional. The stairs make it difficult to move between floors. It does not function. The surprise is that you have to tour the country to get to your closet. Just no. This was an interesting start. Next stop on the ugly train, a very elegant suburb of DC, Manassas, Virginia. This neighborhood is filled with beautiful brick Georgian-style homes, but our homeowner, Alex, seems to think he has the ugliest house in America. So I'm here to see if he has a leg to stand on.
Hi, how are
Hello.
you? Welcome. Come
Good
on
to
in.
see you. Okay, there are things happening in this house. Wow, the ornateness, top to bottom. Ooh, look at that ceiling. It's dated.
That's just one of many.
Oh, you're gonna have fun looking around here.
And then you have the ornate doorways, which in a castle maybe. And the cherub. I hate it.
My name is Alex. This is my mother, Valerie, my little sister, Cherie, and we live in the ugliest house in America.
This home has so many angels. You walk out the front door, there's angels. Back door, there's angels. Angels everywhere.
After a while, it just gets to you like, I can't take this anymore.
It's overwhelming.
When I first saw this house, I was like, hey, most of this is cosmetic, we can fix it. But I don't think we realized how much work it would actually be once we got in here.
It's ugly.
Very ugly.
Very ugly.
She is ornate. It's a lot. It's a lot.
We have some of your favorite cherubs over here.
In the tile.
In the tile. All right, so here we have my bedroom. We have these beautiful ceilings.
The ceiling, I don't know about this.
And then a chandelier. And then here's my bathroom.
Okay, I'm going into the bathroom. Oh, wow. They were like, give me all the textures. Every texture you got, I'll take it.
It's a lot.
Even the toilet has texture.
You have texture
You guys,
everywhere.
what is happening? Where to next?
Down the hallway to the main bedroom.
You noticed those, huh?
Alex, I don't know what to tell you.
Now we're entering the main bedroom.
First of all, can we talk about this carpet? You don't pay attention to anything else. Like, you're just looking at,
That's what you see when you walk in here, is the carpet.
oh boy, okay.
This is my office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm down here with Alex, and of course he has his girlfriend, and she's not comfortable with me working down here.
Why, because she be working down here?
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me your home. I'm going to go past all the cherubs, so it's probably gonna take me a day or two to get out of here.
Thank you for coming.
So, that was the House of the Gilded Angel. The appearance is that of a priest who wanted to be a designer, but wasn't good at it. My good, it was a lot. Function-wise, 4 people living and working in here just isn't gonna work. Honestly, if you wanted to get rid of the angel theme, you'd have to tear down most of the house. The surprise, the only place not filled to the brim with angels was the big empty fish tank in the basement. Though you can bet they had angelfish in there. For some reason, I feel like I need to go confess something. For the last semifinalist in the Northeast region, I'm heading 98 miles north to Manchester, Maryland. We're surrounded by historical colonial homes and brick ranches. We're here to meet Chris and Jean-Baptiste. They apparently think they have the ugliest house in America. I think we may be at the wrong house. It's cute. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our quirky home.
Yeah, sure. You say quirky, but it looks really nice outside.
Well, one thing that makes this house wacky is that this is actually the back of the house.
Really? That's the front?
Yeah.
That's the front of the house. Welcome to the front of the house in the backyard.
Yeah, it's the front of the house. Holy cow.
Yeah. My name is Chris. This is Jean-Baptiste. This is our first home in Manchester, Maryland.
When I saw this house online, it took my breath away how handsome and stately it was. And yes, I looked past the entire layout of the house.
The location was absolutely perfect. Everything that I had envisioned this house was, except for the inside of it.
Every inch of this place needs to be updated. It's physically overwhelming.
Which way should we go?
We'll go in the front door.
The underused.
It looks good in this direction.
Yep.
What happened behind me?
It was like a maze down here. There was walls everywhere, so we're slowly starting to try to get rid of the walls that were once here.
Oh, I can see downstairs.
And you can see the basement.
Ooh, is that a carpet or a
That is
couch?
carpet.
Wait till you see it.
Wow.
Brace yourself.
The basement.
It's an accordion door. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Uh-huh.
The stripes, the floral, the aquamarine.
Stunning, isn't it?
Were there animals corralled in that space?
So we're really not sure what this area was for. We have a wood stove and then a carpet that's green. Kind of looks like maybe it was going for an outside theme.
Grass.
And then we have the picket fence.
Yeah. Was barn ever an aesthetic? Because I felt like that's what they were going for. Pasture, barn. And you couldn't have 3D flowers, so they had floral carpeting. I don't get it. I'm starting to see the ugly.
All right.
Wait till you see the butterfly bathroom.
Okay.
Going back upstairs.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you noticed?
I mean, this is just rude. The fact that you have to either walk like a zombie or you're in a horror film to get down the hall.
Watch your
I would
head.
get a crick in my neck walking through here. It's weird. It's off.
Welcome to the butterfly bathroom.
I like it. It's kitschy.
We like kitsch, but
Is that your type of kitsch?
this is a little bit much.
I don't mind the butterfly bathroom. Would I design it that way? No.
We have one more surprise for you outside.
Okay. Oi. Is this a pet cemetery?
It sure
It
is.
sure is. Came with the house.
You guys, what on earth? Does it tell you what kind of animals are in there?
Nope, has their names and their date of birth and their expiration date.
And you felt the need to show me that.
It's something
pet
else.
cemetery.
Well, not everyone has one.
This is true.
There's Holly, there's Raleigh, there's Noodles.
Holly, Raleigh, and Noodles. Oh my. All right, thank you for showing me around your home.
Thank you for coming.
I'm gonna get out of here. So, which way should I go? Oh, my RV's this way.
Right down there.
So, well, yeah, that tracks. I just came from the front to back house. The appearance of the house from the outside, it looks lovely. It took a moment to realize I was walking up to the back of the house. And inside, it's a mix between partly renovated and in desperate need of renovation. Functionally, if you have to walk down a hallway like this, that doesn't serve you. And the surprise? 6 words. Pet cemetery in the backyard. Or is it the front yard? That wraps it up for the Northeast. They got some ugly. Can we find somebody to fix that before we leave? And now we have 3 strong contenders, but only one house from the Northeast region can become the finalist and get one step closer to that $150,000 renovation. I'm on the edge of my seat. The Northeast certainly had a special kind of ugly, from ugly on the outside to ugly hiding behind a brick wall. But only one can be the absolute ugliest. It's between a cylinder-themed house where you risk your life just going to the bathroom. Whoa! Dang, it's tied up in her. Hard hat needed. An angel-obsessed home that will need a miracle to fix the walls, ceilings, and just about everything else.
We have some of your favorite cherubs over here.
In the tile! I don't need to see that many cherubs all at once. And a backwards house that has the front in the back and the outside on the inside. Were there animals corralled in that space? Was barn ever an aesthetic? I'm on my way to see the ugly in the next region of the country. But before I get there, I get to let the house owner in the Northeast region know they made the finals. This is the best part.
happy to see you.
Particularly since I'm here to tell you that you have the ugliest house in the Northeast. You had so many ridiculous angels, fixtures, patterns, and ceiling textures that the sheer number of ugly items took you to the top of the list.
Good news, good news.
You are now in the finals, giving you a 1 in 5 chance of getting that $150,000 renovation from Alison Victoria.
Praying on it.
House of the Gilded Angel. You're a gift from the ugly gods, but are you ugly enough to take it all?